first of all we will see how to create the units for your assigned subject. So to create the unit for your assigned subject, first of all you need to click on this manage unit button, and then you are supposed to click on this all units, and here it will show all the units created by you after creation. For now, to upload a new unit, you are supposed to click on this create Flipgrid unit. So after that it will ask you for the unit name. So for now, like we have assigned mathematics 1 for this particular Rahul Kumar login of the teacher. So you can just select that particular subject from the drop down menu in the subject ID. That all the assigned subject for that teacher will be visible to him here. So we'll just select mathematics 1 and we'll just create one unit name. It will, like for now we'll just keep it as unit 1. So this will be the unit name which will be visible to a person after in that particular thing. So like then it is asking for unit number, so it will be for my first unit, and then it is asking me for the unit description and number of chapters in that particular unit. So for now I will just keep the unit description as like the demo 1, like maths 1 is subject of sem 1, or you can say batch 1. So this is just a demo description which will be visible to you in application, and then it is asking me for the number of chapters in that particular unit. So for now I'll just keeping it as the 10, like the 10 chapters will be available in that particular unit 1 of the mathematics 1. You can change it later by updating all the information, and then you are just supposed to just click on the save. So after saving all this data, this type of interface will come to you. You can update all the information by using this update button, and you can delete this particular unit if you want to, and then you can just click on this particular delete button so that it will be not visible to you in this particular application of your Flipgrid. So we will just check whether our unit is visible or not in our application. So for that this is my mobile screen, as you can see. So I'll just click on the Flipgrid. So our application is loading. So here we have created the mathematics 1 for the batch 1. So after clicking on the batch 1, so as you can see mathematics 1 is visible here, and it is showing sponsored by your institute. And after clicking on mathematics 1, here you can see the unit number 1, which have given the name unit 1 itself. That's why it is appearing unit 1 here. Like whatever the name you will give here in the unit name, it will appear here. So after clicking that, it is for now it is blank, as we haven't uploaded any video or we haven't created any topic here. But after creating the topics, it will be visible here in this particular section. So yes, now we will just create the topics in our next FAQ.